Assalamu alaikum, this is Professor Muhammad Hassan Khan. Today is day 6 and week 6 of chapter Information and Business Management. And the chapter name is Human Resource Management and Organizational Structure. So this is the first slide of this chapter number 6, and we have already discussed this chapter in class in detail. And I'll try to make a short video so that you guys can easily learn from this chapter a lot. And let's start it. So this chapter 6 first slide says, what is human resource management? HR means the human resource management. What it says, human HRM means managing people in the organization. It's a short thing that what HRM do, they manage people in any organization, and these are what they were. You can say they hire, train, reward, take care of the employee. What human resource management is, like managing the people. How they manage in the form of hiring, in the form of training, rewarding, taking care of employees. Next, see over here that main functions of human resource management. What are the main functions? Let's see over here. First, recruitment and selection. Second is training and development. Third is performance management. Fourth is compensation and benefits. Fifth is employee relations. Sixth is health and safety. So these are the functions of the human resource management. You can also learn with RTPCEH, means recruitment, training, performance, compensation, employee relation, and that last but not the least, which is the health and safety. Next is human HRM process system. What are the process? This is a very you can say that the important slide. What are the process of human resource management? So first is job analysis. Like, is there any kind of need for the job? So we are doing job analysis. Second, recruitment. Okay, selection, orientation, training and development, performance appraisals, compensation, retention. Okay, what are the steps of human resource management? First of all, we have job analysis. Second is recruitment. Third is selection, then orientation, training and development, performance and appraisals, compensation, retention. These are 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 steps of human resource process, you can say that. Okay, next we can see over here why HRM is important. The main question uh, is like, why, what is the need, importance of the human resource management? So hire skilled people. This is the most important thing, that we want to hire, or the company want to hire the skilled people. Second is motivates employee. Okay, motivates employee. Third is improve performance, reduce turnover. Fourth is help achieve goal. Okay, this is why the human resource management is very much important. Okay, next you can see what is organizational structure. Okay, structure define how work and roles are arranged. It shows who reports to whom, job roles, communication flow. We were saying that organizational structure. What is the structure of the organization? So means structure defines how work and roles are arranged. Okay, it shows, we're talking about structures, who reports to whom. First thing, what are the job roles? Third is communication flows. Okay, let's see the types of organizational structure. We have different types of organizational structure over here. First is functional, divisional, matrix, flat, hierarchical. Means if you talk about the functional, so in functional we have the HR, sales, IT, functional. If you talk about divisional, so we're talking about the product or regions. Third thing is matrix. What it says, we in matrix we have teams and departments. In matrix organization structure, talking about the types. So matrix type, team plus departments. Flat means few levels. Okay, hierarchical means many levels, few levels, and flat means the few levels, and hierarchical means hierarchy, you can say that many levels. Okay, these are the types of organizational structures. Let's see that why structure helps human resource management. So this is a very important thing, that we are connecting organizational structure with the HRM. So why? Know where employees fit. Okay, if we're talking about the organizational structure, so in a structure we know that where the employees fit. If we are hiring any employee, so we should know that where the employee should be fit. Better communication, clear promotions, fair workload. Last but not the least is the strong teamwork. This is how the structure help the human resource management. Now talking about the conclusion of this chapter, that what we have to conclude in this chapter, we have just learn about the human resource management manages the people side of business. Okay, organizational structure support human resource management. Last, together they improve company performance. If they work together, human resource management and organizational, we just put them together, so what they're doing together, they improve the company performance. Okay, so this is all from this chapter number 6. Inshallah, see you in the next chapter. Till then, Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye. And one thing more, don't forget to subscribe my channel, also give the comments, like, and just last, and press the subscribing bell. Okay, thank you very much. Allah Hafiz, take care, bye bye.